Sheriff John Lovick. Come on up and share some words.
Come up there.
You can stand wherever you want, Sheriff.
I will be as high as I possibly can. I just want to tell you that I'm so very, very pleased to be here because 9 months ago, Judge Fraser called and asked me if I would help her in her pursuit of becoming a district court judge. And the first thing that came out of my mind when she asked if I could, I said, yes, I can, and yes, I will. But I'm going to take you back just a little bit. Over 25 years ago, when I was a young state trooper, big bushy hair, nice afro that would beat man, I was handling a lot of DUI trials, a lot of DUI cases in South District Court. And I can tell you, Judge, that I would not be standing here as Sheriff of Snohomish County had it not been for you. Because back then, it was pretty easy to write a case report, do all the things that you had to do, and then come to court. And for the most part, they weren't always rubber stamped, but nobody really challenged us on a lot of our things. But you were the one attorney who challenged me and challenged many state troopers. And I can tell you that I would not be here as Sheriff of Snohomish County had it not been for you. Because you made me and many, many state troopers that I know better people and better police officers and better state troopers. So I want to thank you and congratulate you. And when you called me a couple of Fridays ago to tell me that you had been selected, my wife ran upstairs and said, what are you screaming for? I don't know that I've been happier. I can think back of it. When I found out I was elected sheriff, I was extremely happy and proud. But I don't think I can think of many things that made me prouder to know that the county council has selected you. Because I know how hard you work, and I know how hard you're going to work on the bench, and I know how hard you work for the clients. So I just want to thank you and also congratulate you. Thank you.
Well, John asked me if I could follow that. I'm not sure. It's hard to follow. No, I'm serious. It's hard to follow a gentleman from MacArthur there with all the stories. This one's more than that. I'm trying to show you, but anyway, I would just like to say a little something about Beth, actually how she made me better. John and I both grew up in the South Beat here of Snohomish County, and we ran across a public defender, Beth A.Fraser. And I'll tell you, not only did she make us better and everybody else better that had to come against her in court, but she taught us the ethic of hard work and what fairness is really like. Because when Beth came and represented her clients, it wasn't us versus them. It was about the facts. And what the facts of the case were, you never felt threatened. Because she was only trying to do the right thing for her client. We were trying to do the right thing for the state. And as I grew through my maturation process in the state patrol and then as the district commander, I never forgot the ethical things that Beth taught me. And one of those, the most important thing you can have, and you can only give it away, nobody can take it from you, is integrity. And that's what we look for in a judge. Somebody who's never given their integrity away, works hard every day, and is a role model for others in the community. And that's what Beth A.Fraser is. And I'll tell you, last year I was going out to the Tulalip tribes a Tuesday a month. And out of nowhere, Beth A.Fraser said, hey, can I come with you? And I thought, man, this chick's got a gambling problem. So after we played the slot machines for a while, lost all of our money, she made a difference in the Tulalip tribes. She went out there, interjected herself into the Tulalip customs and law, and it's had some good dialogue with them. And I know when you build relationships in the community, they last a long time. And what you did there, nobody solicited you to do that. You did that on your own because you really have the spirit of making a difference in the community. And I can't tell you how much we appreciate that and how much you do for Snohomish County and the citizens of Snohomish County. And I know you'll bring that integrity to the bench, always do the right thing. It's not us versus them. It's about a community. I just really appreciate it about you. Thank you.